R.I.P. Diego Maradona. The best there ever was. Honestly, the best there ever will be. Gone too soon. One of the greatest ever. Sleep well, boss.
One bag of gold medal pan me now.
Yep, that's me. My name is Rome, and this is the Fort Official. Let's go.
I know what you're thinking. What's he can do? I'm gonna go over the Champions League. Not all of the games, because that'll be too much. Where do you begin? Champions League was nice. So for the past 2 days, we watched some sweet football. I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna talk about a few of these groups, some of the most exciting ones. Like we're not gonna touch on the Chelsea group because Chelsea already gone through. Group H is still wide open with Manchester United. Everybody know that on my side. So we'll start off with that group. Group H still wide open. Manchester United on 9 points. RB Leipzig on 6. PS give me the whole of the Isle Money G on 6. And then the other side, can't pronounce him, Istanbul, Bash, Crash. But as I said, this group is still wide open because PSG can still leapfrog Manchester United. Leipzig can still leapfrog Manchester United. So we still need to have we need at least one more win or a draw to go through. Watching Manchester United this season in the past 8 years is an emotional roller coaster. It's almost like maybe Manchester United fan being an mentor for the past 8 to 9 years, bro. Now we know a woman feel every month, bro. Just 1 second you're happy, the next second you're sad. Just an emotional roller coaster. Can't manage it, bro. It's rough. It's not good for my heart. Last week, the man played like crap against West Brom. And this week, like yesterday, the game was sublime, bro. I cut me here at the barbershop. I'm like, oh, this is a team, right? But why is it? Why is it so? Because you take out McTominay and put in Van de Beek. And Van de Beek just kept it simple. You get the ball, 1 or 2 touches, forward. And the forward players just gone. Yes, Marshall on the left, Rashford on the right, Cavani down the middle. We had some decent attacking powers. And Bruno was sublime. But just those 2 changes in a 11-man team and your team start playing that different, your team can play well every week if you just make simple common sense changes, bro. But back to the Champions League. Wouldn't it be nice to see PSG back in the Europa League? Wouldn't it be nice to see Neymar, Mbappe, and Batty Boy Di Maria playing in the Europa League? My vote for Group H, Manchester United, RB Leipzig. Lipstick. Kind of love it. But yeah, my vote is them. But Di Maria, bro. I think the other group that really looks crazy right now is the Real Madrid group as well. Borussia Mönchengladbach. If you don't know who those guys are, don't worry, you're not the only one. Nobody does. They're playing in the Bayern Munich league. You know that league that Bayern Munich wins every year? Yeah, nobody knows them. But these men are playing football, bro. Real Madrid is what, second behind them? And then you have Inter, which is dead last. Hey, the next man is to look by and say, hey, Man United should have kept Lukaku. Look at him and say, you should have kept your mouth shut, bro. The Italian league have Ashley Young looking like prime Roberto Carlos, bro. That league, let's be honest, the Italian league can make any eunuch, right? I'm talking about Greyjoy type of eunuch become a 9-inch wheeling mandingo, bro. Not playing them games, bro. The Italian league is crap. Lukaku a dead food. And then the other group that I talk about really is the Group D. Liverpool was shit today, weren't they? Atalanta was killing them, bro. It was sad. Liverpool didn't come out of the blocks. I'm glad they lost because it's Liverpool. One of the other things that we can talk about is they still have a chance of not qualifying. They're in the same position as Manchester United. The teams behind them are like 1-2 points behind them. So if they lose the next 2 games, they could still not qualify, which is going to be awesome. Before we go, let's get a round of applause for Timo Werner, the greatest striker in the league, bro. Waste man. All right, you made it this far. Please do me a favor. Like, subscribe to the channel, share it if you can. Manas.